Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if your Kwikset smart code 913 is beeping, showing red flashes or not accepting the codes, or the keypad stopped responding, this video is going to walk you through the best troubleshooting steps, and I will also show you how you can reset it step by step. So first of all, before resetting the lock, you just have to simply check the battery pack inside the lock. So sometimes the weak batteries are one of the most common reasons why the smart lock 913 starts flashing the red light when it fails programming attempts and becomes unresponsive. So you need to simply use a fresh set of high quality alkaline batteries and avoid mixing old and the new batteries together. Once you have successfully replaced them, you just have to simply test the keypad again before moving to the next fix. Now, even after replacing the batteries, if the issue still persists in your case, then you need to simply do a factory reset. So in order to do it, first of all, you need to remove the battery pack. Then you just have to simply press this power button while the reinserting the battery pack. Just keep holding this particular button for at least 30 seconds until the lock beeps and the status light flashes red. Then release the button and press the program button one more time. When the LED flashes green and the lock beeps, it simply means that you have successfully reset it, and all of the old user codes will be erased with this particular method. So after the reset, you need to reprogram the new user code, and that's how you can basically reset it. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.